This is a 2018 Ford Explorer Sport. It's got the front and rear parking sensors. It has a front view camera, which I'll show you that. It's got two different views. I think the widest it goes is 180 degrees, which is really, really wide. Very cool. This is a white platinum metallic tri-coat paint. So you can see the little sparkle in there, even though it's in the shade. Proximity entry. It's got the black sport leather with the red accent stitching. It says a non-smoker. You can see the upgraded floor mats. And then the door sills there are illuminated. It's got the dual sunroof. Has the second row captains, and of course your third row. And for the second row, there's some cup holders, 2 USB ports, a 110, heated seats, and climate control access. This is 4-wheel drive with the EcoBoost, and there is the factory window sticker in the photo section, so you can kind of go through all the options, as well as in the glove box in the car itself. You have your power folding and stow and go seating, 12-volt port, lots of storage. Just to give you an idea, we're doing the stow. This is a power. There you go. And then you can do one at a time as well if you wanted to go that route. Pretty cool. Power lift gate. You have the door keypad code entry here, and the factory code is in the glove box. And then from there you can create your own code as well. Power folding side mirrors, driver memory seat package, power driver seat of course. You have your power adjustable steering column, which is tied into the memory package here. Automatic headlights. There's your tow mode. As far as safety features, you have your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision avoidance here. You can do the sensitivity on it as well. Blind spot detection, cross traffic alert, all the good stuff. It is heated and cooled front seats, as well as the heated steering wheel. You have your tri-zone climate, navigation. You have your interior ambient lighting, so you can change all the different lighting. Apple CarPlay. There's your backup camera. And as far as the front view, you can push this button here, get your standard view. So you can see the red little storage shed here is kind of right in your typical line of sight. There's that trailer there. So now when you hit again, you have this really wide view. And so what you would see as a driver is about here, but reach out a little further, and there's that little storage. And then way over there. Not something you can see from your driver view. So that's really, really cool. Bluetooth, all the good stuff here. There's your terrain management. Your cup holders are illuminated. You do have the owner's manual there inside with the window sticker, as well as the door keypad code. You have a shade here. So if you do not want the sunroof feature to be open, you can close the shades. Garage door opener, and then of course on your key, built-in remote start, and your power lift gate button.